All right, let's dive right into this explainer. Today, we're taking a close look at something that completely transforms how we think about home fragrance, aesthetics, and, most importantly, safety. We are breaking down the GODONLIF candle warmer lamp. It's super fascinating to see exactly how this piece of home decor is engineered to take a literally centuries-old tradition and replace it with modern technology. It really goes to show how just a simple shift in design can solve some incredibly common household problems. I mean, we've all felt that sudden sinking anxiety, right? You've just left the house, or maybe you're finally settling into bed, and out of nowhere, the thought hits you. Oh no, did I blow out the candle in the living room? It is a totally universal feeling, and it perfectly frames the real-world problem this product is actually trying to solve. Because for generations, getting that beautiful, warm scent into our homes meant introducing a literal fire hazard right into our living spaces. And the contrast between the old way and the new way is night and day. When we look at traditional candles, we're dealing with an open flame that naturally produces smoke, soot, and indoor air pollution. But on the flip side, the candle warmer offers a completely different experience. Because there is absolutely no flame, you get this incredibly clean ambience. Honestly, for anyone with curious pets or energetic kids running around, completely removing that fire hazard is a total game changer. So let's move right into Section 1, the open flame dilemma, rethinking home safety. Here's where the real magic happens, top-down technology. Rather than lighting a wick at the top and letting fire do all the work, this lamp uses a 50-watt GU10 bulb stationed right above the candle. This bulb generates enough concentrated heat to gently melt the wax from the surface downwards. It completely removes the hazards of a lit wick while still triggering that amazing scent release. It's just a really clever, physics-based solution to a very, very old problem. What's really wild is that this flame-free approach also means the end of wasted scents. Think about it. When you burn a traditional candle, the open flame actually burns off a lot of the fragrance oil rapidly, and the wax unevenly tunnels down the center, which is super frustrating. By using this gentle, top-down heat source, your wax actually lasts significantly longer, and the fragrance isn't wasted by a harsh, burning wick. You're just getting a way more efficient use out of your favorite jar candles. Which brings us to Section 2, customizing your ambience, where form meets function. Beyond just solving the immediate fire hazard, the GODONLIF lamp is this seamlessly integrated piece of home decor that gives you total, granular control over your atmosphere. This personalization comes down to a few key features. First up, there's a 12-hour cycle timer, so you can basically set it and forget it. Then you have an unrestricted dimmable knob. This is huge because it lets you choose the exact melting speed. Brighter light means faster melting and a stronger scent throw. It also features a height-adjustable pole, meaning you aren't locked into buying one specific size of candle. Short, wide jar, tall, narrow one, it fits. And structurally, it is grounded by this really sturdy metal base and topped with a clear glass lampshade. It gives it a very classic, timeless aesthetic. In practice, the setup is just incredibly simple. It's literally 1, 2, 3. You place your favorite jar on the base, adjust the pole height so the bulb is optimally positioned over the wax, dial that knob to get the lighting and melting speed exactly where you want it, and finally, set that 12-hour timer. The source material actually describes this process as a way to facilitate uninterrupted sweet dreams. You can literally fall asleep with it on, perfectly safely. I absolutely love this evocative phrase drawn straight from the product's description because it perfectly captures the emotional benefit here. The soothing lullaby for the senses. It's not just about heating wax, right? It's about combining a gentle, warm light with a beautifully controlled scent. It positions the lamp as an essential addition to calming spaces. Think bedrooms, cozy studies, or yoga rooms, where setting a tranquil mood is the entire goal. All right, let's hit Section 3, sustainable and certified climate pledge friendly. Now, it's one thing to say a product is cleaner because it lacks soot, but how does the actual manufacturing stack up for today's eco-conscious consumer? Well, it's fantastic to see this environmental claim backed by actual data. The product holds the Recycled Claim Standard, or RCS, blended certification. What this actually means is that the recycled content within the lamp has been independently verified at every single stage of the supply chain, from the raw material source all the way to the final product sitting on your table. And what's more, this certification was audited by Bureau Veritas, a highly respected third-party certification body. So you know for sure this isn't just marketing greenwashing. 50%. That is the key metric here. The product must contain at least 50% certified recycled material by weight to earn its Climate Pledge Friendly badge on Amazon. It demonstrates a very real, verifiable demand for recycled materials in its construction. Moving right along to Section 4, the ultimate gift choice, looking at social proof and versatility. Building on the safety and verifiable sustainability we just talked about, how does a product with these specs perform out in the real world? Well, over 9,500 customer ratings. Pushing past that kind of milestone while maintaining an incredibly strong 4.7 out of 5-star average is just massive social proof. It really shows that the claims about safety, aesthetic appeal, and functionality hold up in thousands of different households.
And these high rankings further solidify its reputation. Being the #2 bestseller in the specific candle lamps category is great, but ranking at number 177 in the entire Amazon home and kitchen category, that is staggering. To put that into perspective, it proves this isn't just some niche gadget. It is a highly sought-after, mainstream solution for modern home decor.
And because it combines that classical elegance with crucial modern safety, it serves as an incredibly versatile gift. It covers nearly every major occasion you can think of: Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, the holidays. But it especially shines for housewarming parties, which makes perfect sense when you think about it. You're giving someone the gift of safe, stylish ambiance for their brand new living space. This final piece of copy perfectly summarizes the core value proposition of our entire explainer today. Your family's happy place, now safer and sweeter smelling. It distills everything we've talked about: the complete elimination of the open flame, the top-down melting tech, the 12-hour timer, and that adjustable ambience into one incredibly clear emotional benefit. It brings warmth and fragrance into your home without any of the traditional worry. So, after exploring the 50-watt GU10 heating technology, the highly certified eco-friendly materials, and the absolute peace of mind it offers over traditional burning wicks, I'll leave you to reflect on your own home habits. If we can get all the ambience and all the scent we love, completely without the soot, the smoke, or that awful panic of wondering if we left a fire burning in the living room, isn't it time we changed how we light up our lives?